To delete a website hosted on GoDaddy, you will need to follow a few steps to ensure it's removed from your account properly. Here's a guide. Sign in to your GoDaddy account. Visit the GoDaddy website and sign in using your account credentials. Access your products. Once logged in, navigate to the My Products section of your account dashboard. Locate your website. Find the website you want to delete from the list of products and services associated with your account. Access website settings. Click on the website to access its settings and management options. Remove website files. If you have files or content associated with the website, delete them from the hosting server using the File Manager or FTP client. Cancel hosting plan. If your website is hosted on a GoDaddy hosting plan, you'll need to cancel the plan to remove the website from the server. Follow the prompts to cancel the hosting subscription. Confirm deletion. Confirm that you want to delete the website and associated services from your account. Review any final instructions or warnings provided by GoDaddy. Complete deletion process. Follow the remaining steps to complete the deletion process. Once confirmed, your website will be removed from your GoDaddy account.